Okay, so today is going to be the Colores de Carol 2022 Advent Calendar. And I'm going to be opening every box in this calendar today, as well as showing you swatch photos of everything. So if you do not want spoilers, I recommend you exit out of the video now because I don't want to spoil anybody's fun. Really quickly before we open this guy up and destroy this cute little wrapping, this went on sale in September as an uncapped pre-order from 9/6 to 9/20, and there were two different options. There was a 6-piece for $55 and a 12-piece for $110, and I chose the 12-piece. The contents of this are 9 exclusive full-size nail polishes as well as 3 nail care items, which breaks down to about $9.17 per item in this advent calendar. I have a few polishes from Colores de Carol, but not too many. However, I have been really interested in them from very early in my polish days. A lot of my OG influencers that I used to watch would constantly talk about Colores de Carol. So I'm excited to try out this bigger set. Sometimes I just get a block in my head where even though I have a couple and I like the brand, I'm afraid to order from them for some reason. So this is gonna be my intro splurge into Colores de Carol. So it looks like there's a little tear piece. Oh, I feel so guilty. I'm glad my boyfriend's not here. He would have a heart attack. He gets so sad when cute stuff gets ruined. Nobody tell him. Okay, so the names are on the bottom, so I'm trying not to look at them. Okay, so let's just pop right into these, and I have my little opener tool because I'm not breaking a nail while I open a box. Okay, the first one is already a magnetic. Ooh, is that a green? This one is called Golden Bells. This is is it supposed to be gold? I feel like it's kind of a Grinchy green, and it's got some flakies running through it. And the cap says it's magnetic, so it's one of those magnetics where it's a similar color, but that's okay. I don't mind them. They're not my favorite, but I do really like this color. Oh, when you shake it up more, it definitely... That's cool. Okay, let's do day number 2. Oh, the stamp is way off on that one. Okay. Ooh, purple. This one's called Cherry Carols, and it looks kind of like a similar formula, and it's the lilac or lavender base, and it's got blue and purple flakies running through it, and they are like a multi-chrome flaky, I guess you call it. It looks like mine may have leaked a little bit. I don't know. Maybe that was just from when she poured it because it seems fine. So, yep, that one is cool. I still like the first one the most. Oh, there's something in there. We got another magnetic. And that one came with a magnet. Oh, that one is so pretty. It's called Cookies and Gifts. This is a little baby magnet. This is a cute little magnet. I will not use this because it is too small and I will drop it on the nail. But it is oh, don't put that next to my phone. Probably a bad idea. It is a blue with, it looks like greeny purple magnetic qualities, and it has those flakies running through it again. That one is pretty. So far the magnetics are my favorite. Usually, I mean, I'm getting into magnetics recently, so ah man, that is so pretty. Okay, day 4. I wonder why they put the magnet in day 3 and not day 1. I feel like it would make more sense because what if you don't have any magnets? Day 4, okay, ooh. This one's called Wonderful Winter, and it is a silver, but I don't know if you guys can see, there's a pink or a red, I would say, shimmer running through it, along with all these silver hollow flakes. This is perfect. I don't wear a lot of silvers, but that addition of that shimmer is ideal, and it looks like diamonds, crushed diamonds. That is wonderful. Wonderful Winter. Oh my god. Day number 5. Let's see here. Ooh, that one is pretty. It's called Magical Mistletoe. Okay, this looks like toothpaste. I love it. Don't get me wrong. Looks like toothpaste. It's amazing. It's like the blue toothpastey color. And then, is it Crest with like the 3 color, like the tricolor toothpaste with the red and the white? And I mean, like the red and the white are definitely giving like candy cane, but oh my gosh, that looks like toothpaste. I cannot wait to wear that. Day number 6. Next year, I'm not going to do unboxings of these because I want to open them day by day. I don't know. Okay, so this is a Ready in 5 10 free high shine top coat. I have not used too many other brands top coats or base coats or anything, so this must be one of the nail care items. It seems really thin, but I wonder if it will like thicken up over time, or maybe it's just, it says it's high shine, so maybe it's just really shiny. I'm excited to check that out. I'll probably use this one in the swatches of these. Day 7, and I can only imagine that this is a nail oil pen of some sort. Wouldn't you know it? Says they use jojoba, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel, vitamin E, and then fragrance. And the smell is mountain pine. Ooh, that smells really good. I didn't even have to twist it up, and it already smells really good. I don't love like this pen style. If I get them for free, I will use them up, but like I just find that reusing these is a hassle. Like people are always like, you can refill them, but I just feel like they're not easy to take apart and they get messy really fast, at least for me. So my preference is the rollerball, but I do love this smell. Okay, we have 5 more days. What do we got, Carol? Number 8. You guys, when you do advent calendars, do you end them on the 24th or the 25th? I don't even remember anymore. It's been so long since I actually celebrated Advent, so I don't remember. All right, day 8 is, oh, not exciting. The Leveler. It's a smoothing top coat. So this is going to be similar to Glitter Grabber, I'm assuming. And since Glitter Grabber is, in fact, the only smoothing top coat I've ever used, this will be a nice comparison item. So we've gotten our 3 nail care items. Not bad. These are really, really kind of essentials. So at least, I mean, this isn't really an essential, but I need it. I need it. So perfect. Day number 9. Ooh, that is red. It's called Festive Fire. So it looks like it's the pretty much exact same formula as Cherry Carols. Kind of reminds me of a like red pepper color, and it has those multi-chrome flakies. It looks like it has some solid black flakies in there as well. It's very pretty. Definitely not my go-to color, not my favorite color. When I go for reds, I don't go for this type of red. It's like got some orange in it, I guess, maybe. Like that pepper color. I prefer a bright candy apple red, but I'm excited to at least swatch it. Day number 10. Can you guys see how cold I am? My fingernails are turning purple because if I turn the heat on, you guys are going to hear it, and then it'll be annoying. All right, let's see. Ooh, I like that. Sparkly stockings. This is like grape soda, grape jelly type of purple. It looks like it is a purple jelly base. We've got some hex glitters that are purple, and it looks like they're reflecting hollow off of them, as well as some tinier, are those tiny red hex glitters maybe? This one will be perfect with their smoothing base. or sorry, smoothing top coat rather. So I'm liking this calendar because I feel like it's including items that really will pair well together. Day 11. Can we get a green in here? I would love a green. Let's see. Oh, did I call that or did I call that? Okay, it's a green and a blue. It's called Cozy Chimney. And I guess it's like, it's a duochrome green and blue maybe, and then it's got these flakies in it. It looks like the earth when you kind of like see it reflecting in the light because of that green blue going on. That one is interesting. I'm excited to try that on and see how it looks on the nail in particular. And the final day, oh, she took some beating. All right, let's see. I forgot about the, I think I said this the last time I bought a Colores de Carol, but the boxes say, I have enough nail polishes, said no one ever. I think that's so cute. Let's see if we can, oh, I'm trying to open it from the wrong side. That would be why. That would be the problem, Hillary. What's the last color, you guys? Oh, saving the best for last, are we? This one's called Colorful Candles, and this is like, I'm going to call it a gray. It's like a super light gray. It's got a reddish orange shimmer blasting through it, as well as like these red reflective flakies and solid black square glitters that are quite small. Living for this. Love this. It looks kind of like a dirty Dalmatian. I don't know. I love that. Okay, so here is the entire advent calendar. This is my first year buying some of these, actually all of these full-sized indie calendars that I'm showing you guys. Before, I would only buy the Ciate and like the Cirque ones, and you know, those are all minis. So this is my first time really spending this much, but I feel like I really got my money's worth on this one. This one was, like I said, $110, and I got 9 full-size nail polishes, 2 full-size top coats, and this nail oil. And, you know, we've got, like I said earlier, the 2 magnetic polishes with the addition of this little magnet. I don't think this is really the best magnet. I prefer, oops, my big gun here. Actually, it might just be because I haven't shaken these up. They could just need a big shaking. And then it looks like a lot of either jelly or Crelly based stuff here with fun glitters. I am like really gonna, isn't there like, it reminds me of peppermint bark a little bit too. I feel like there's some like sweet that is this color with these colors in it, but it reminds me of toothpaste, and I'm really excited for this calendar. Specifically my favorites, I think, just from like looking at it. I don't know, I haven't applied these yet, but Golden Bells, and this is Wonderful Winter, Magical Mistletoe. Obviously, Colorful Candles was an excitement, and then I really am interested in this Cozy Chimney. So I'm excited to try out these polishes. Literally just broke this nail. I don't know how. Interesting. But yeah, this is definitely a good one. And so far, from what I have from this brand, I really like it. So I'm excited to try all these out and see, you know, what more I would like to get into from this brand. Let me know down below if you guys also picked this up, and let me know what your favorite was. I gotta say, just on looks alone, I can't decide between Magical Mistletoe and Colorful Candles as my top from this. But yeah, and I'm excited to try these top coats as well. So that is going to be it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.